In a world that spins with silver and gold, we chase the dreams that we've been sold. But when the glitter fades to dust, it's the ones we love who earn our trust. Money can't buy the laughter or the tears, can't replace the love we've built over the years. In the heart of family, we find our worth, sharing love and culture on this earth. We work all day and lose sight of home, counting coins while we feel alone. But stories told by candlelight are treasures that make the spirit bright. Money can't buy the songs our mothers sung, the recipes from which our lives are sprung. In the warmth of kin we find our goal, a legacy that never will grow old. Let's trade the rush for a moment still, embrace the roots that time can't kill. In dances, tales, and old folklore, we find a wealth worth living for. Money can't buy the footprints in the sand, the lessons learned hand in hand. In the threads of culture, we weave our dreams.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.